What's up, you guys? I'm Dan. This is Frugal Not Cheap, and today's just going to be kind of a quick update on what's been going on with me, what's going on with the channel. So we'll get to that in just a moment after the intro. Alright, so as you can see, I've moved into my home office. Just kind of wanted to try a little bit of a different setup, trying to get away from the road noise that was out there on the other side. And also I had the opportunity to kind of rearrange things here in my home office as well. I can't pan the camera around while you're over there. But anyway, I've got Max in his little bed next to me. So he's here, rest assured, he's hanging out with us. Got a little exercise bike over there, and my desk set up over here. So I'm pretty happy with the setup. It's a little bit more echoey because there's less soft material, just less mass. I've got less stuff, and so it's not soaking up that sound. So hopefully that's not too bad. But anyway, just wanted to do a quick little update because actually I didn't have a prepared video ready for this Friday. Usually I have a pretty good backlog of 2 or 3 weeks or so of videos, and this week I don't. And basically just to give you an idea of what's been going on. So you kind of got the winter blues a little bit, and got a little bit. I don't know, just sort of disheartened by that. Also noticed like the views have kind of tapered off a little bit, and I know it's going to take persistence and putting out good content to try to change that. But it was kind of a bit of a bummer anyway. So on that note, quickly, if you'd like to help out the channel, please do give the video a like button and subscribe. Really helps out. Also, if you leave comments, that really helps out as well. Hopefully the content is good, but if it doesn't get out to people, then it can't do its thing, and try to inform them and try to be helpful to people, which is really the goal of the channel. Also as a hobby, just to learn how to edit videos and do all that kind of stuff as well a little bit better. So there's that. That's why this video is going to be a little bit different. Other things that happened though, like I threw out my back, and so that made things a little bit difficult for a little while. It's been a week and a day now, or is it a week and 2 days? Anyway, it's feeling better now, so that's good, and I'll be able to get out there. But it's been bitterly cold, and there's some footage that I want to film outside that is going to come up in hopefully next week's video, or maybe the week after that. I'm not sure. We'll see. So that's pretty cool though. Like there is some interesting stuff planned to release for you guys coming up. One of those is a pretty major purchase that I made. Another one is about a cryptocurrency that I'm excited about, that we'll talk about in more detail. So we'll see. And then also probably just do another update on what's going on with Tesla at the moment, because I'm really into them, and my shares are off their highs. We are at one point we're at a 1,900% gain, which is pretty crazy. The gain now is at 1,400%, so still pretty stellar. But I continue to believe in their business model and what they're doing. So I'm really excited about some things that are coming up. So yeah, just a quick teaser, I guess, of things that are coming up. Are going to be a pretty major purchase that I made. Really exciting. I think there will be some good content there for you guys. And then also, of course, we'll be talking about whether or not that was frugal, and what are the financial impacts of that decision that I made. Then also about this cryptocurrency, which I think will be cool, and then the Tesla update. So those are some of the near-term plans that I have for you. Meanwhile, fingers crossed that we're going to be able to get vaccinations more widespread, so that we can return a little bit closer to normal life. I know it's going to take some time anyway, but it would be nice to see that normalize a little bit, and also for the weather to get warmer, because I'm up here in New England, and the weather, the winters are brutal. Lots of dark, lots of cold, lots of snow. We finally hit daylight savings time, so we have an extra hour of sunlight in the evenings, which I always love. That's very fun. And the weather is starting to warm up a little bit, though. Today, I think it was 12 degrees Fahrenheit this morning, so not that warm just yet, not that warm. But we'll get there. It's supposed to be in the 50s in a couple of days, and getting better from there. So we'll see. I've really tried not to let the weather bother me. I I think happiness is something that you make yourself, and it's an internal thing, and it's really about your attitude. But I've been in New Hampshire since 2007, and yeah, wow. So it's been it's been quite a long time. This is the longest that I've lived anywhere, and I never intended to be here for very long. I came up here to go to graduate school in economics, of course, and then I got a job at this company that I work for now. Well, I work at the sister company, but I got a job in the commodities area, and then moved over to the sister company, which does the trading, and I've been there for a long time. And really cool thing about COVID is it gave me an opportunity to show my boss, who's actually the owner of the company, because I get a ton of autonomy. It's pretty cool. I pretty much run our trading arm autonomously, and been able to show him that he can trust me doing that, which is great. But yeah, I got to show him that he could trust me being a remote employee as well, doing a good job there. And so another quick update on my life is that I'm planning to move to the Dallas-Fort Worth area in January. I would move earlier, but I have some service commitments up here in New Hampshire, and I gave my word that I would do them for 2 years, and that means a lot to me. That when I say something, I'm going to do that. So I'm going to stick it out, and I think it'll be a lot easier. We're again through the worst of this winter. This will be my last full New England winter. Fingers crossed. And so I get to enjoy the summers here are beautiful. Early fall is pretty nice, though it gets kind of gray. But at least I'll be here over the holidays with friends, November and in December. And then I'll be driving down the last week of December. So you can see more content about that. I'm going to take you with me when we go apartment shopping, and probably on the road trip down south too, which would be pretty cool. And then also kind of getting set up out there. And we'll talk about all the ways that I try to be frugal in all of these things. So we'll see. Wow. All right. So that's what's coming up. That's what's going on with me. Hope things are going well with you. Again, fingers crossed for a brighter 2021 than we had. 2020 was kind of funky. Yep. So yeah, hope you're well. Take care, and I'll see you in the next video.